Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am sharing a Sheetload of Cards rewind, which basically means that I just used a past month sketch instead of the current month sketch. The sketch I used was February 2021, and if you're not familiar with Sheetload, it's basically a card sketch and a cutting guide and a supply list that Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Elle YouTube channel puts together for us every month so that we can follow it or use it as a jumping off point to make a bunch of cards. I think it's a great self-challenge, and I've been doing it for about a year now, and I just really look forward to each month's release. I hope that my cards today inspire you to give it a try. To create my cards, I used a digital paper collection that I purchased off of Etsy. In fact, it's a couple of collections, and I just combined the two to create my cards. And I also used this Lucky Icons cut and emboss folder from Anna Griffin. I used the clovers and the horseshoe. I used this Anna Griffin interlaced Geo 3D embossing folder to emboss some details in some gold foil cardstock. And I used my trusty Craft Factory Creations bling on all of my cards. If you've watched my Sheetload videos in the past, you'll know that whenever I make a set of cards, I like to create some coordinating packaging for them. So for today's cards, this is the box that I created, and I did use a tutorial from the Posh Paper Lady, which I'll link in the description box below. This is an A2 sized box, and it holds 4 cards and 4 envelopes, and my cards do have some dimension to them. And it basically looks like an envelope in the back, which I've secured with a Velcro dot. I've not yet finished the insides of my cards because I don't know who the recipients are going to be, and I like to customize them individually. So I will do that at a later time. Let's check out the cards. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!